Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the chapter Kartavya or Satyata. As human beings, our foremost duty is to do our work. Work begins at home. Doing our duty is a question of justice. Doing our duty increases our satisfaction and self-respect. When we step out of our home and into society, we are obliged to work mutually in association with friends, neighbors, and townsfolk. In this manner, a person's whole life is filled with various responsibilities and duties. Man is a social animal, therefore, there are many duties that a man has towards his fellow beings, towards society, and towards the nation. By doing our duty, we can improve our character. The power of the mind can prevent us from doing an evil deed and instead turn us towards good deeds. Evil deeds make our mind unhappy and we feel regret. Therefore, we must always stay away from bad deeds. Some people use the art of trickery and deceit. Some make use of lies and falsehood, and some turn to the flattery and false praise to get ahead in life and to earn money. Such people also get ahead in life, make a name for themselves, and earn respect in the society. However, one must not walk down this path. Those who walk on the righteous path have their doubts and objections removed. They are reconciled to the truth and they find satisfaction and gratification in life. The volatility of the intellect, the instability of our goals and objectives, and the weakness of our mind are all obstacles in the path of righteousness. A selfish nature also create hindrances. Laziness and ignorance of right and wrong are also impediments. The example of a sinking ship has been given often to show that men have taken up the obligation of saving women's life even at the cost of their own. Duty and truth have a very close relationship. In life, no work can be done by telling lies. Some people swear upon the truth and tell lies. According to the author, this is a great sin. Such people are exposed sooner or later. In the world, there are many people who think that telling lies is nothing but smartness. Many different types of liars have brought ruin to the world. Speaking the truth is the foremost duty and responsibility of every person. Only by speaking the truth does our respect in the society increases. In the conclusion, the writer tells us a proverb, Satyam Vada Dharma Chakra, which means that only by telling the truth can righteousness be preserved in the world. In this manner, doing our duty and telling the truth gives us happiness and satisfaction in life.